Maaaring may edad na tong si Senator Marcoleta. Maaaring may diploma siya at lisensya sa pagkaabuga siya. Pero sa totoo lang po, siya ay hilaw pa. With due respect po, pero itong si Senator Marcoleta bilang mambabatas o bilang pagiging leader ng Senado, siya po talaga ay kulang na kulang pa. Katulad kahapon, May 26, 2026, noong pinipilit ni Marcoleta yung kanyang amendment sa rules para maka-attend ng sesyon at makaboto ang isang senador. Maski ito ay nagtatago o may problema sa batas, nag-motion to adjourn o quorum called itong si Senator Tito Soto. Ang problema ni Atty. Marcoleta, gusto pang debatihin ang mosyon ni Soto. Di napahiya si attorney dahil mas marunong po sa kanya yung hindi abogado si Soto, pero mayaman sa karanasan. Panoodin po natin ang video ng ganap na yun kahapon sa Senado.
So, Madam Chair, I move that we divide the House.
And the voting will be done via
No,
viva
Madam
voce.
Madam President,
Minority Leader.
I move to adjourn or a quorum call. That is a higher precedence, Madam President.
So I only see the Minority Leader representing the minority. The others had left.
Madam Chair, we will not object, but for the record,
Yes.
they scampered out. So we will not object, Madam Chair. In fact, we move that we adjourn till 5 p.m.
Madam President,
Monday.
before that,
Madam
Before we
President,
adjourn.
motion to adjourn is
Senate
not
President.
debatable. Akala ko ba magaling sa rules?
We're not
Parliamentary
debating.
inquiry.
It's not
We're not
debatable, Madam
debating
President.
minority
Move
Parliamentary
leader.
to
Madam
adjourn.
President.
We're
I'm
not
not
debating,
debating,
Madam
and we
Chair.
will indeed adjourn.
Parliamentary inquiry.
Yes, Senator Marcoleta.
Nung pong nagsimula tayo, Madam, meron po ba tayong quorum?
We had a quorum. Yes.
Yes, Madam President. Kapag ka po ba nag-walkout ang minority, nawawala po yung quorum. Nagsimula po tayong may quorum. It doesn't matter if they walk out.
Yes,
I think we still have the quorum.
Madam President, once there is a quorum call, you have to call the roll. Kahit naka-present lahat o kulang kanina o there was a motion to dispense, whatever that is.
Not
A
upon a
quorum
situation,
call,
Madam President, when
motion
they,
to-
when they
motion to
readily
adjourn
and willingly walk out.
takes precedence.
Hindi po yung covered ng rule natin, Madam President.
Madam President,
sakasakali
As
po,
reiterated by the Senate President and as conveyed by the Minority Leader, former Senate President, the rule states that the motion to adjourn takes precedence and not taking sides.
5 p.m. Monday
And we will adjourn session
until 5
until
p.m.
5 p.m. on
Monday.
Monday, June 1st, 2026.
Paano na lang kung si Marcoleta ang presiding officer at hindi si Loren Legarda sa sitwasyong ganon? Paano na lang kung hindi bihasa sa rules ang presiding officer? Di iira lang mali at sa kalaunan may imbalido ang proseso. Sayang na sa oras, isa pang malaking kahihiyan ito para sa ating Senado. Natatandaan din natin na noong nakarang taon, ito ding si Senador Marcoleta ang nagmosyon para i-dismiss ang articles of impeachment laban kay Vice Presidente Sara Duterte. Wala naman yun sa rules. Ibig sabihin, out of order siya. Lagi niyang pinagyayabang na abogado siya. Pero saka naman nakakita itong si Marcoleta ng judge na nag-motion to dismiss. Nakikita natin yan sa defense lawyer pero hindi sa judge. Pero in fairness sa mga ibang abogado, hindi naman sila laging sang-ayon dito kay Atty. Marcoleta. Hindi rin sila sang-ayon na kung may diploma ay lamang na. Sabi nga ni Atty. Edwin Lacerda, Senator Marcoleta's attack on Senator Risa Hontiveros that she did not know the rules because she is not a lawyer is a cheap shot. An argument from arrogance and credentialism at its worst. One need not be a lawyer to recognize a legal issue. Dagdag ni Atty. Lacerda, hindi kailangang maging abogado para kilalanin ang isang isyung legal. Walang pinagkaiba yan sa isang hindi naman doktor pero kayang alamin kung ang pasyente ay may lagnat. Wala din niyang pinagkaiba sa isang hindi inhinyero pero alam kung ang tulay ay malapit ng gumuho. The question is whether what is being said is true, according to Attorney Lacerda. It is not about the diploma of the one speaking. If Senator Marcoleta disagreed with Senator Hontiveros, then he should answer her arguments, not question her profession. O ayan po, mag-aral pa kayong mabuti, Senator, Attorney Rodante Marcoleta, para hindi kayo laging napapahiya.